Gratitude greetings. The three smiling
Hi, hello
angels.
Sunny, hello Neha, how are you?
Super fantastic. So let us first introduce who is Hema. Sunny ji,
Yes,
please let's welcome our super achiever of our community and let's talk about her.
thank you, Bina.
Hema, a coach with a difference, who can effortlessly take bold steps, who's a role model for every woman on the planet to stand strong, to stand bold, to grow financially independent. Her money EQ and IQ can mesmerize, can inspire, can lift up the spirits, even for men, because she helps you take risks, calculated ones, and multiply your money because
Yes,
she's a rich lady. And
yes.
we have seen her journey of her inner transformation. I still remember that phone call. Something happened there, and lots happened. So let's hear her transformation story.
Oh, thank you, Sunny. So first, gratitude to my mentors, you and Bina. So I'm really grateful, and a lot of them in this process who have helped me to transform. Right. So I didn't have any idea of this, planning to achieve a 1 crore dream when I was starting. When I quit, I just thought I'm going to work on my passion because something was calling me and was not interesting about my corporate job. उस टाइम पे हार्डली आई वाज अर्निंग 10,000 रुपीज पर मंथ एज अ साइड हसल हार्डली सो से पर क्लाइंट 500 रुपया पर आवर आई वाज चार्जिंग एज अ नो साइकोलॉजिस्ट that time and then I don't know how things changed and 10,000 का 50,000 का no 1 lakh and now 3 lakhs and 5 lakhs it's like it has been no a superb journey and I didn't know how it happened seriously. I didn't like systems. I didn't I was not comfortable on camera and I didn't have so much of knowledge of marketing, nothing. I hated when I was learning Facebook ads and thing. I was almost community people were learning and I was like almost in tears, such me, because I was not able to do it, catch up with them. So I can still remember that. And today, when I talk about achieving this 6 7 figure, I'm like really no grateful that I got really beautiful mentors and people who were ready to help me and really Bina and Sunny. One of the things which I felt I was missing, why I was not able to see, I was stuck at this 50,000 to 1 lakh. So then I realized, and some one digital marketer told me that, मैम आपका क्लोजिंग अच्छा है बट कहाँ से सीखा आपने 1 to 1? मैंने बोला 1 to 1 तो मैंने कभी सीखा नहीं. आई डेंट नो दैट समथिंग लाइक 1 to 1 वाज नीडेड. आई डेंट नो. आई वाज रनिंग एड्स एंड आई हैव वर्क विद ऑलमोस्ट 4 to 5 डिजिटल मार्केटर्स एंड डूइंग वेल गुड. मतलब लॉस नहीं था कभी. आई वाज एबल टू अर्न व्हाट आई वाज इन्वेस्टिंग सो एंड आई वाज एक्सपैंडिंग. So, but cash में कैसे आए? How do I come to cash was a question, and this one funnel was really working good. But leads तो आ गए. अब convert करना है. I was making 10% conversion, but still I was not happy with that. So then that person told, "Ma'am, I think you need to work on 1 to 1." And I don't know from where suddenly Bina had called that day. Okay, see, I spoke to Bina. I know Bina, I think from 3 years back, when one of no community I know. And in between, once we spoke about something about our journey and community and all. But from nowhere, suddenly someday Bina calls and she is talking. She never offered me anything. She didn't tell me anything. No, I never saw her any promos. I never saw any ads by Bina. I was just seeing some of the reels, and that's suddenly she was talking, and I was telling my journey. It's like, let's connect. And on the call, when I saw no energy, both of you, Bina ki energy to ekdam like hey. And actually, I am replicating. I am trying to replicate that because मुझे वो no प्यार से बात करना मुझे नहीं आता है. And
आता है, आता है. I know your brain.
बहुत लाउड रहती हूँ बट मुझे वो आई डोंट नो नहीं आता था. एंड जब मैंने सॉ Sunny is like flowing like divine, and he's like, my God, that वो बोलते हैं ना harmony वाला talk, and I was just carried away. Uh, Trust me, I think if you remember, you didn't tell me anything about the program. You only told me, Hema, do you want to achieve this? You never promoted anything to me. Also, I was talking. I'm like, Bina, I will do it. And उस time पे मेरे बैंक में I hardly had some money. Okay, but I think you pushed me, you motivated me and guided me, to take that courage to invest, and it's all that nurturing, right, that has happened, and the way you people introduced no introduce us to us, and that is a beautiful thing that I found in this, which I didn't find anywhere. Everywhere it was about ये skill सीख रहे हो, ये skill सीख रहे हो, ठीक है सीख रहे हैं, but I think this is what something high ticket coaching would be called. Today I was seeing one ad where Siddharth Rajshekhar, I think most of us know, right? He was talking about no if you want to do something where you're spiritually grounded, then coaching is the only thing. And that word resonated so much with what we talk, right? Bina and Sunny, you people keep telling us how divine thing is. See, I am a manifestation coach. I have heard, no, I have understood money energy, and I tell people about money energy. But again, about sales. So when you brought that perspective, like how divine work we have been doing, so really we could resonate. And that is why high ticket about where we are able to break our inhibitions and we are completely authentic. Bina keeps telling, हमें कोई झूठ वूठ नहीं बोलना है. Be authentic. Authentically हंसो, authentically sell करो. कोई नाटक नहीं करना है, right? So फिर guilt किस बात का, right? And I think high ticket is about something spiritual work on ourselves. Automatically money flows. We say, right, when your energy is high, money तो by product है. So, and I think that flow you people
Service,
create.
sales
Yes.
is service, divine work, magical. So, Hima, tell me one thing, which is what I'm really fascinated to know. What is the shift that happened the day you sold your first high ticket for 3 lakh rupees? What did you feel from within? And how
Yes.
connected do you feel that with that energy? Yes.
Yeah. So,
मैं इसका
see,
करो 2 pages. चलो.
we have all been working on ourselves. Even I had my own inhibitions in asking money when serving people. But it had to be done because there has to be energy exchange in whether you're doing healing, coaching, or whatever. And the value that people are able to take you seriously, right? So that they can transform. Now, I had lot of discomfort before I could even open up to key. No, this service will cost this much. I knew that no, I was putting a lot of efforts. My team member told, "Hema, आप इतना क्यों free में देती हो? You are giving away too much." And I'm like, so much of commitment you are taking with the clients with so much less. You should charge more. But I hesitated. There was an empathy, right? When we see them and they're coming with their problems, and then we are like, "Arey, no, how can we charge them? We should serve." But what we learned in our your classes was that until we are going to push them to break the inhibitions, they are not able to take that big action that is needed. वो लोग वो लो एनर्जी में रहेंगे, उसके लिए वो पुश प्रेशर चाहिए अपने ब्रेन को. वी ऑल वर्क इन प्रेशर, राइट? आई थिंक सनी इज अ ब्रेन एक्सपर्ट. ही वुड आल्सो एग्री कि a little pressure is needed for all of us, and that pressure was needed. So how I was able to do that, because even I had a pressure that मैंने अपने मेंटर्स को कमिट किया था, I had to pay. So I also had the pressure कि मुझे मुझे तो क्लोज करना ही है, मुझे वो इनकम अचीव करनी ही है, right? Despite my other financial commitments. And trust me, it was all butterflies and palpitations and like, am I even doing? वो guilt and should I even? So, but the time I pitched, I was like immediately accepted. I'm like, wow. So everything we were building in the brain only. Real में actually इतना difficult नहीं था. We were only building it up. Client was ready. Might be I only needed to nurture well. So every time it's like, Bina asked, did you nurture the client before you offered something? Did you nurture the client before you asked something? So when you have nurtured them, actually they are ready. We just need to show them that state, right? So I really felt freedom. I would like say like up to a 1 crore is not far, right? Until then, I'm like, कैसे 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 कैसे, but होगा, क्योंकि we are manifestors and we have to trust and we have to keep moving in the process. कैसे कैसे कैसे, but then it's like ऐसे, right? And definitely it was a very big shift. And like so proud, felt like wow. Like Saniji bolte हैं ना, like we all have the God within us. We all tell that, but that day it felt yes, we are the God, and now since no, the client has committed, now it's our time to start giving them that value, right? So लो टिकट में सर्विस देना और हाई टिकट में सर्विस देने में डिफरेंस रहता है, जहाँ पे क्लाइंट का रेस्पॉन्स भी कम रहता है, दे डोंट सबमिट असाइनमेंट्स, दे डोंट कम टू क्लासेस ऑन टाइम, दे डोंट गिव प्रॉपर फीडबैक, सो हमें लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं क्या हमारी एनर्जी लैक हो रही है क्या, कहीं ना कहीं एम आई नॉट, बिकॉज वी बिलीव कि व्हाट इज विद इन यू रिफ्लेक्ट्स इन द क्लाइंट ऑल्सो, so somewhere it creates self doubt. But now when these clients have taken the commitment, they also know and they are responsive, and we all feel good in again giving more and more to them, right? More and more लगता है कि और दें इनको, because we feel enthusiastic with their response. Every teacher feels happy with the response of a student, isn't it? So that I have felt in this no, when I broke my first high ticket Bina, and it's truly divine. Sales is divine. उस दिन
पूरा
मुझे लगा,
क्लास ले लिया, हाई टिकट, इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ
अरे
हाई
यार,
टिकट, हाउ
sorry, मैं तो बोल नहीं
एनर्जी शिफ्ट.
sorry.
You're a great teacher. Now,
Thank you.
you are a community builder. You are one of our biggest success stories in terms of closing high ticket. How many high ticket have you closed?
Abhi, I have 11 clients who have taken my high ticket, to whom I'm mentoring presently.
और मनी
Yes.
आईक्यू वाले अलग हैं.
Yes, money IQ अलग है और ये अलग है. This is
वंडरफुल.
business is अलग.
ओके, सो कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग भी हो गया, हाई टिकट भी हो गया.
Yeah,
और टेल मी
yeah.
two bigger transformations which you see
Hmm.
in the old Hema and in the today's Hema.
Old, see, I used to always laugh. Okay, people always tell me कि हंसती रहती है हमेशा, दांत दिखाती रहती है, तेरे घर में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है क्या? मैं लाइक प्रॉब्लम तो है, अभी भी लड़की आई हूँ, बट हाउ डज इट मेक अ डिफरेंस? ओके, सो समटाइम्स मेरा मैनेजर भी डांट रहा है मुझे, लेकिन मुझे हंसी आ रही है, एंड द ऑपोजिट पर्सन लाइक ये क्या पागल है क्या, क्योंकि पता नहीं मेरे दिमाग में कुछ ना कुछ कॉमेडी बनता रहता है उस चीज का. So then later on I will cry. But after this learning this high ticket and really changing the frequency with you people, I think now I laugh more openly. क्योंकि I used to laugh but अंदर था और no, I think there were some suppressed emotions. Though I just used to make myself happy and laugh. Laugh was natural only, but अंदर था कुछ. I feel that because whenever I would be alone, I would get those thoughts. But I have learned to now just be open and I think
And
if you
have
ask my
fun
spouse,
with marketing. Fun
yeah,
with marketing. Yeah.
exactly. I'm loving the marketing. It was feeling tedious earlier, but now it is not like that. Process hai, efforts hai, but it doesn't feel that tedious. It's like we are enjoying the process. If you ask my
बहुत
spouse,
हीलिंग
he
भी
will
है.
tell you कि पहले वाली हेमा अभी वाली हेमा में क्या difference है, because he would completely okay, you people are responsible.
बहुत
Because
हीलिंग
they
भी है.
don't like no too much of ज्यादा लेक्चर झाड़ रही है, ज्यादा अभी मुंह चला रही है, ज्यादा अपना ये now on everything I'm like bang on responding. So then I explain him, but still I think the spouses would be the best people to tell
ये
कि what
इनर
to change.
ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन
I'm
तो
loving
दिखता
it.
है ना,
Yes,
हमें भी फील
yes,
होता है,
definitely,
आपको भी फील होता है. अब
very
आउटर
much.
ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की बात करो.
Hmm.
पहले वाली रील्स और आज की रील्स, पहले वाले पोस्ट और आज के
अरे
पोस्ट, पहले वाली
yes,
फोटो और आज की फोटो, उसमें भी
exact.
बहुत ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन.
Yeah, thank you, Sunny. Yeah, lot of people have been complimenting me on this. अरे तुम्हारे रील्स कौन बना रहा है, तुम्हारे रील्स कौन बना रहे हैं? See, इससे पहले मैंने सोशल मीडिया पर्सन लिए थे, मैं I tried them, I told them to do these things, but somewhere I think there was not a strategy. But now once you people had given us a strategy, अब strategy plus no, I want to tell I manifested an intern. Okay, it was like I was asking my friend कि can someone help, your daughter can help me do this because she's very creative and उसका English बहुत अच्छा है. And you will not believe, in 2 days she said, Hema, I want to tell you something. I interviewed 3 people. I just want 2. Do you want one? अच्छा, और उससे सैलरी भी बात कर ली है. और ओ अच्छा, वेरी, मैं तो कुछ काम ही नहीं है, शी इंटरव्यूड एंड शी गेव मी द पर्सन, मैंने मांगी थी उनकी बेटी, एंड बेटी वाज बिजी एंड शी ऑफर्ड मी एन इंटर्न एंड हु इज सुपर एनर्जेटिक, and this guy does it very sincerely and very young. So जो strategy मैंने बताया है properly, we are able to implement as a team nowadays, and lot of people have been complimenting, अरे Hema, your stories are like, we are looking up to watch your stories ki what next, and that is the auto transformation. I think now the ideas are flowing. I was telling to Shalini also in graphotherapy, hey, Shalini, I changed my app and now my thoughts are like put के आ रहे हैं ideas. कभी लक्ष्मी आ रही है, कभी सरस्वती आ रही है, कभी दुर्गा माँ आ रही है मैं रील्स में, सच में I send this voice message to her that day when I changed my app also. So I think Shalini is also from our community only,
Yes.
right? So you know that we exchange services with each other, and that's a brilliant transformation. I'm loving that.
So one of the days you also had a very divine experience, Hema. After which I think when you shifted energetically from inside, there were some blockages that got released. Are you comfortable to share a few pointers
Yes.
on that?
So I never hesitate to share my story, Bina, because somewhere we feel कि इसमें क्या रखा है, छुपा के क्या करना है, कौन क्या बोलेगा, right? If someone can get inspired, that's all we need, right? We all in a transformation journey. So I think that's a very emotional moment. It was very emotional. When we are manifesting, we all, right? हम ambitious goals बनाते हैं, because the rule of manifestation is to give a challenging goal, not a easy goal. And while working towards it, you face failures, right? It is not a कि आज कर दिया और हो जाएगा manifestation. नहीं. You do a manifestation ritual and the ball starts rolling. And you have to start implementing as the process goes. अब इस प्रोसेस में क्या होता है, कभी दिन आर लो, कभी वी फील फेलियर, अरे क्या नहीं कर पाई. नाउ यू सेड टू create 100 leads and I have not done it. अच्छा, others are doing, so lot of FOMO also remains there. This and social media में देख के सब प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, मेरा नॉलेज अच्छा है लेकिन मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. So all these things are there. अब इस बीच में again in family, when we are too much into our work, people are like तुम बहुत busy हो, so there also we have to explain, बहुत चीजें होती हैं. And these things were no, somewhere under ही अंदर I was not able to say anything because I felt they were also right. And I don't have a like-minded community where people are into same kind of business or something. So where to share, कहाँ बात करेंगे, or who will give you a genuine opinion. See, just like to motivate you, people can tell you that you are good or you are ये, you are वो. But we understand, right, कि वो just like that है या real motivation है. So we start doubting ourselves, and I start doubting कि क्या है जो मुझ में मिस हो रहा है. People are telling कि सब अच्छा है, तुम अच्छी हो, फिर कहाँ, मुझे नहीं लग रहा है ना कि अगर मैं अच्छी हूँ सब अच्छा हो रहा है. आई एम अ वेरी पॉजिटिव पर्सन, सेल्फ टॉक भी अच्छा है, आई नो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू नेगेटिव जोन, हो सब कर रही हूँ. वेयर इज इट, आई एम नॉट एलिवेटिंग दैट एनर्जी, कहीं ना कहीं तो ब्लॉक है. And generally, I think Sunnyji's those divine classes happen at 11 a.m. In the morning or weekly twice. So उस टाइम मेरा बहुत busy time रहता है, 10 to 1. I have full sessions. But then I check up the recording. But that day somehow I logged in. उस दिन मुझे खाना भी बनाना था. So मैंने live login किया and it was unexpected, and I was just frying my mushroom 65 that time. Okay. And now suddenly we're talking about the brain designs. So, and decoding the fingerprints. And Sunny ji had before also called me and told कि Hema, you are divine thing. But sometimes लगता है ना कि शायद थोड़ा motivate भी कर रहे हैं. अच्छा लगा. He was genuine, but still लगता है कि हाँ, might be he's just motivating. तो थोड़ा I took the inputs and I started working on myself. But in this class, everyone was speaking about, I mean, everyone was being spoken about. And that time, Sunny was quiet. And he made one of the, I think, his co-coaches, or I think one of our community members, who is also a coach. She was no decoding about the brain patterns. And when she started telling, and she was like very, I think it was a divine flow. And I'm sitting and I'm like, oh, is it? So, jo bhi validation or that I was, not validation, jo bhi I wanted to hear about myself, which I was doubting, everything got revealed. Like, yes, you are unique. Because I always felt isolated. क्योंकि मैं जो भी बात करती हूँ सबको लगता है कि क्या बकवास कर रही है यार, एकदम बूमर आंटी है, या शी इज सो बोरिंग एंड सन्यासी की तरह बात कर रही है. So I never got validated about my thoughts. So here it was like, wow. And then other person said, so I literally I defined like this. I'll tell you. I don't know whether sounds dramatic. I was telling, no, Simran called me and like, Hema, you wanted to cry. Yeah, I had told that I want to cry, but I'm not able to cry. I don't know why. So that time Simran reached on to me. She said, I will help you. And then I told, you know what, how it felt today. Unexpectedly, I logged in. I was feeling कि जैसा होता है ना, संतोषी माता का व्रत रखते हैं, उसके बाद we are very down for some reason, and suddenly some females come and they come and bless you, right, in some other form. And exactly as if I was expecting this, and I was somewhere sad, which I was not able to reveal or break out. And all these people were sitting in this class that day just to tell me how good you are. And you are good. You don't have to doubt yourself. And that was like, no, abhi bhi mujhe goosebumps are when talk about it. I'm like, wow, thank you, God. I wanted, it was like as if you came in and you blessed me. Ki Hema, chinta mat kar, I am there. Okay. And you are doing you just keep doing what you're doing. So I was completely in tears and I'm like, chalo, continue your
So what
efforts.
you do
Kahin,
is go
yeah.
to everyone and tell in the ear, like God's
Yes.
angel, you are
Yes.
special.
Exactly.
So,
So
Hema, you
thank you.
have been a part of so many communities. What is the
Yeah.
difference you feel in the energy of this community?
अरे बिना तो पूछो ही मत. सो एज आई टोल्ड कि दिस कम्युनिटी इज डिवाइन. ठीक है, बहुत सारा लर्निंग है. लाइक वी लर्न अबाउट ब्रेन, वी आर लर्निंग, लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर आल्सो लर्निंग एनएलपी, बिजनेस कोचिंग. बट द एनर्जी, एक तो आपकी स्माइल, ओके, बीना का वो हंसते हुए डिलीवर करना, एंड द वे शी इज बैंग ऑन, राइट. एंड सनी जी इज लाइक, हाउ डू आई से, मुझे हिंदी में कोई पोएटिक वर्ड्स नहीं आ रहे हैं, बट आई वांट डिफाइन पोएटिकली ओनली, कि बह रहे हैं, लाइक नो, प्यार में बह रहे हैं, लाइक yes, the God is there. And yes, exactly, we can really feel that calm. Things are no good. So this is special about the community. I think every member we have in our community, I think you have chosen very, you have picked up very, no, diligent will be the right word or not, I don't know. Intuitively also, I don't know. But every person is so humble, so connected, and so serving. कहीं पे भी ऐसा नहीं कि मेटलिस्टिक पीपल हैं या सेल्फिश पीपल हैं, कुछ भी नहीं है. Every business community I have gone, people are like, because it's a business community, it's for business. Networking community, it's for business. ऐसा ही they depict. See, I go to networking communities because I feel like-minded people होंगे, वहां पे दोस्त बनाएंगे. But I realize later कि दोस्त, मैं सोच रही हूँ कि दोस्त बन रहे हैं, बट लगा कि जब वो बिजनेस का बात नहीं आ रहा है, तो दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू बी दोस्त. सो मैं बीएनआई में गई हूँ, एंड आई हैव बीन इनटू 2-3 अदर कम्युनिटीज आल्सो. बट यहाँ पे इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट, right? It is like truly divine, and I am telling this from my heart, Beena. And I think the energy of this community is what helps people. I always say it's not about the strategies in the no money manifestation. क्या स्ट्रेटेजी यूज कर रहे हो या क्या टूल यूज कर रहे हो वो बात नहीं है, बट क्या एनर्जी आप नो एक्सचेंज कर रहे हो, दैट डिसाइड्स योर सक्सेस. एंड आई थिंक यू पीपल एज मेंटर्स शेयर अ ग्रेट एनर्जी विद all of us, and that is why everyone is so divinely aligned with each other and ready to help, coming up forward to no guide and compliment, or seriously, it's full of energy. That's what I would say. No, the name God's Abundance Family stands true. So I love the community. It's worth investing. That's what I feel, Veena.
So, how about now talking about your vision? How confident do you feel about making your months look like every month $10,000, close to 8 to 9 lakh rupees every month? How confident do you feel that this is looking so much possible for you, a month on month,
No,
at least
I'm
with
super confident. I'm super confident. No, as I have already crossed 5-6 lakhs of income already. No, month on month consistent income, and I'm this 10 lakh doesn't seem to be a thing. So I'm no more worried at all. Initially, I was worried. कैसे होगा कि बिना क्लाइंट आएंगे कि बिना. I'm like, अरे स्लोली चल, हो तो रहा है, होगा, एंड इट्स हैपनिंग ऑल्सो. सो आई एम सुपर कॉन्फिडेंट, आई एम नो मोर हैव डाउट्स एनीवेयर. Till now, I was just figuring out, test and trial कर रहे थे, right? So I think we got the exact system
Yes.
where we are
So
not keep on going and spending.
9 lakhs is just equal to 3 clients, isn't it, Hema?
Yes,
9
exactly.
lakhs is only equal to 3 high ticket clients.
Yes.
And you have now started nailing it. So we
Yes.
see that you are hitting your 7 figures every single month from now, from
Yes.
this month onwards.
Exactly.
And I am sure whoever is looking at this energy in this room right now, there is not even a speck of doubt that me, Sunny, or Hema carry about this point. We
Yes.
as organic marketing coaches are making $10,000 months, and we are 200% sure, even for every single coach in our community, because it is just the same system. You have to follow it
Yes.
and you will get the results. Right? Yes, that's the spirit.
Yes. Exactly, Bina. Thank you.
चलो
Thank you.
भगवान को थैंक यू बोलो 3 चीजें. If you have to sum
Yes.
up, Hema.
भगवान को थैंक यू बोलो. That see, we all believe modeling excellence, right? So I was wanting to model something like, ये लोग इतने प्यार से बोलते कैसे हैं? It's like, no, hi, how are you, right? And ये तो anyone who talks very, mellow tone, I never was comfortable, क्योंकि मुझे मुझे तो ये जचता ही नहीं था कभी. And after listening to, I think, Beena and Sunny, I have learned that I'm yet implementing, but I have learned, I'm trying to model, and I'm doing also. So I should thank God that He has shown me कि कैसे होता है, कर सकते हैं. You can be bold and also you can be divine. So this is number one. Number two, definitely gratitude to God for showing this abundance of crossing the 6-7 figure monthly, and thanks to that. And number three, brilliant gratitude for connecting with such beautiful souls, right? So people are the strength, and I always believe कि हर person जो आपकी life में आता है भगवान का रूप है. And whether this person has cheated you, whether this person has insulted you, because this insult had to show you a lesson. So God in this form had to give you a lesson, because He loves you, because He wants you to change and mature. Every failure and pain matured us in every level. And how it happened? Through a person. भगवान थोड़ी ना कोई ये सब लगा के आता है jewelry, right? So having such divine people in life is really grateful, and I feel that lessons लिए जो भी लिए अब तो divine people से connect कर रहे हैं, and I think that shows the elevated energy also. So
30
thank
seconds
you
में
for
जिसको
things.
प्यार भेजना है भेज दे, जिसको forgive करना है कर दे फिर.
Yes, exactly.
And new meaning दिया है life में भगवान ने.
Yes.
So we are truly blessed, and this is how we give meaning to our hurt, wounds, pain, and we blossom like Hema. And 1 CR is coming effortlessly.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
200% sure about it. 2024, we are doing 1 CR.
Yes.
Every single one of us here, and whosoever is watching, if you want to be a new you, all you have to do is to take a new way of taking decisions. The question for you is, are you ready to take a new way of taking decisions?
I'm charging my laptop.
Thank you so much, and
Take care.
take
Bye-bye.
care, everyone.
Thank you.